Is it too early to have a 2021 planner? Nah! Say hello to Belle De Jour's 2021 collection. They arrived way before all the other planners, and I'm here to browse through each one to help you decide which planner to get. Thanks for sending these, BDJ and Crazy About Paper! But first, a brief history lesson. As far as I can remember, the extreme planner craze started in the early noughties when certain coffee shops, Starbucks, started luring people into buying designer coffee every day so that they could collect enough stickers to get a free planner. I was one of them. And then I started exploring other planners like Moleskine and eventually Viviamo's BDJ planners. Trivia time! Did you know that I wrote the articles in the 2009 BDJ planner? I helped copy edit the 2014 BDJ planner, and I was part of the BDJ Box Beauty Ministry from 2013 to 2016. As you can see, I go way back with BDJ. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the 2021 planners. First, we have the original, the bestseller Belle De Jour Power Planner. Have a closer look. The one I got has a pleather cover. Let's look inside. Of course, there's a letter from your soul sisters, dear Bellas. How to maximize your planner. Monthly worksheet guide. Year 2021. 2021 goals, mood meter. Okay, so one big difference that I noticed with this planner is in the last few years, the monthly articles are all about fashion, beauty, health. I noticed that for 2021, it's more about looking inward, like finding inner peace, inner grace, and abundance. There you go, ignite your inner fire. Vertical pages for your bullet journaling, like here for March. How to pursue inner peace, and then there's a workflow, a worksheet for that. Oh, okay, there's also a free magnetic bookmark. And I love the artworks. I love the artwork this year. Still as colorful as always, as expected of BDJ. Now, how to strike a balance for August. Cash flow tracker to help you keep track of your expenses. Bills tracker. A lot of notes. And let's not forget the coupon booklet. I think the coupon booklet is one of the reasons why the BDJ Power Planner is so popular. Year after year, they come up with the best coupon booklet. They have everything in here. The coupons give you discounts, freebies, buy one, take one, 50% off, 15% off, 10% off to different restaurants, hotels, travel destinations, food, fashion, beauty, you name it, they got it. Oh, there's also the free Bella lifestyle card, which gives you access to events and other special promos. Coupons! I'm a coupon cutting grandma, so I love coupons. So, would I use this planner among all the other planners? I would, but when it comes to the weekly pages, I prefer horizontal instead of vertical. Now, the Belle De Jour is vertical, so I don't know, but I love the design. Next, we have my personal favorite, the Navi planner. I've been using the Navi planner for the last 5 years, not just because it's a travel themed planner, but let me show you. When it comes to the weekly pages, personally, the spaces have to be horizontal. If it's vertical, I might not get the planner, but this always wins it for me. So please, don't change it. Keep it horizontal. Now let's have a closer look at the pages. Yeah, and as always, can you see there's a map? Last year though, the map was a color-in map. You could color it. Now it's just plain. The road to your best life. Oh, a letter to 2021. Goals. Bucket list. Dream board. Every month there's a featured travel destination, both local and international. Monthly calendar, and then there's always a map featured in the background, which I like, which it gives you travel inspiration. And it also has its own coupon booklet. It's thinner and not as many coupons as the BDJ Pal Planner, but it's good enough. I like using, yes, it has the coffee shop one. That's what I like to use. Coffee shop coupons, travel themed shops, travel wear, all things travel. Would I use this? I'm 100% sure, but I'm also looking at the I Grow With The Earth BDJ Planner. I'm torn between that and this. Next, we have the Focus Planner, which is a little more minimalist than the other designs. Instead of a vertical or horizontal weekly theme, it's boxed. Let's have a look, closer look, yeah. And I'll walk you through the pages. There you go. How to use a journal. Monthly calendar. Okay, one standout feature of the Focus Journal is that every month there's a word of the month that'll hopefully keep you inspired and focused. Like for example, January, the word is change. So how does the word change affect you? It allows you to reflect and focus for the rest of the year. Let you think about what you're grateful for in that month. I'm not going to give away the rest of the words. I'm just all surprised naman when you buy the planner. But yeah, for January, the word is change. I almost showed you the other word. Not going to show you. So there you go. Simple lang, but lots of space to express yourself. Does it have a coupon? No, there's no coupon booklet, unfortunately. But there is a sleeve where you can put all your keepsakes, like, I don't know, ticket stubs, photos, notes, whatnot. There we go. The Focus Planner. Next, we have the Everything is Possible Planner, which I feel is more for the go-getters because the pages are filled with mantras and inspirational quotes to help you have the best year. Let's have a closer look at the pages. Hardbound. The Road to Your Best Life. A Letter to 2021. Everything is Possible, personal info. How to maximize your pages. How to make everything possible. What else? My 2020 year in review. And for the monthly pages, it's in bullet form. And then quotes every month. Does it have a coupon booklet? But there is a pocket where you can put all of your keepsakes, photos, ticket stubs, souvenirs. Would you use the Everything is Possible planner? Does it suit your personality? And lastly, we have the Essentials Planner. Now, if you thought the Focus Journal was minimalist, this is actually the most minimalist of the bunch. It's like a little notebook. It fits anywhere. And if you look closely, the pages are blank except for a few tiny light dots to guide you just in case you won't write straight. So this is perfect for bullet journaling. You can also doodle, sketch, write lists. So let's have a closer look at the pages. There's a calendar, a letter to 2021, monthly pages with dates. What else? So that's how it goes for the rest of the year. That's it, plain and simple. Minimalist. This is something you would use. But wait, that's not all they have. If you go to crazyaboutpaper.com or ilovebdj.com, you're gonna see a whole lot of notebooks, notepads, journals, art supplies, craft supplies, and all of the things you'd love if you're crazy about paper like I am. Okay, so which planner do I like the best? Which one am I going to use next year? I'm torn between the Navi and I Grow With The Earth BDJ planner. For the first time, I'm torn. Usually I go straight for the Navi, but I really like BDJ's earthy design. Which one? This. Ah! Oh, what do I want? I think about it.
One eternity later.
I've made a decision. Navi! Navi pa rin! Navi pa rin! Navi because, number one, it's travel themed, and the most important deal breaker, Horizontal weekly pages. Yes! So, what am I gonna do with the other planners? I'm gonna give them away. So if you've reached this far into my vlog, please subscribe to my girl group page, Girl Talk PH, and my Instagram at Replicate. We're giving away planners every month for the rest of the year. So if you want to win a planner, not the Navi's mine. Go to Girl Talk PH and Replicate on Facebook, and please subscribe to my blog, katewashere.com. Navi, 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 Navi.